Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Nexpow OBD2 Scanner. Nexpow OBD2 Scanner is designed for car owners who want an easy to use and affordable tool to diagnose their vehicles. This V311 OBD2 scanner offers a variety of diagnostic functions, including reading the reason for engine warning lights, viewing and erasing codes, freeze frame data, IM readiness, vehicle information, real-time data stream, battery detection, DTC lookup, and real-time curves for parameters like car speed, calculated load value, engine coolant temperature, and engine RPM. It is powered directly by the car's OBD-II data link connector, so the batteries or charges are needed. The scanner features a clear LCD display with a white black light and contrast adjustment, and a one-touch battery check function to monitor car battery voltage. It is compatible with multiple languages, including English, German, Dutch, Italian, Spanish, French, and Chinese. The device works with most car builds after 1996 and support all OBD2 protocols. It is not compatible with hybrid or new energy vehicles. The Nexpow OBD2 scanner is compact, lightweight, and easy to operate, making it suitable for beginners who want to troubleshoot minor issues and save money on repairs. If we talk about the pros and cons, on the positive side, the scanner offers easy plug-and-play OBD2 diagnostic, working with most cars from 1996 onwards to read and clear codes quickly. It is affordable and user-friendly with simple setup and app compatibility, making it great for do-it-yourself car owners. On the downside, it has limited advanced features and may not support deep life data or advanced PIDs on all vehicles. App reliability also varies, with occasional connection drops or glitchy displays. Overall, the Nexpow OBD2 scanner is not a scam. It is a legitimate and reliable budget diagnostic tool. While it is not a professional-grade scanner, it provides good value for casual car diagnostics and basic troubleshooting. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.